Do you have an Xbox 360 1, 2, or 3 red light problem? Well, your Xbox 360 is overheating. And this is what you should do. First, you will need to disassemble the case. This will take you about 5 minutes. You'll need to remove some stuff and get to the X clamps. You'll need to remove the old thermal paste. Clean it off real good. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Now you replace the X clamps, put everything back together, and you're ready to go. You can get the full step-by-step repair videos at theredlightfix.com. That's theredlightfix.com.